Hey there, MI and Milgard team members. I'm Matt DeSoto, and I'm our CEO. I wanted to reach out to all of you and say hello. Many of you I've met, many of you I've not yet met, but certainly please know that I look forward to seeing all of you again soon. So this is a different way for me to communicate, so I'm going to learn as I go. In the meantime, I ask you to bear with me. More than anything else, I wanted to say thanks. Thanks for being on the team. Thanks for inspiring me and so many other leaders by all the things you do every day. Now more than ever, I hope you're well, and I hope your families are well. And I really do look forward to talking with you here over the next couple of days and weeks and getting a chance to share a bit more about what the leaders at MI are, what we're thinking, what we're hearing, and the decisions we're making, and why. So, until we speak again, be smart, stay safe, and remain confident. Look forward to talking soon. Thanks.